Hi folks, welcome back to Tips and Tricks for iPhone users. If you take a lot of photographs, it's quite possible that you will get duplicate photographs, and now there's an easy way on iOS 16 to get rid of those duplicate photographs. So to do that, you just go to the Photos app, and then you go to Albums, and then you scroll down till you see it says Utilities and Duplicates. Now you can see I have 6 duplicates, so tap on that, and there you can see all the duplicate photos I have. So if I want to get rid of the duplicates, I simply tap Merge, and then it'll tell you, right, it's going to merge them, and you do that and it gets rid of one of the pictures. So that's how you easily merge duplicate photos. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more and tap the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.